Hey, what's up? Welcome to my channel. I'm the Crypto Lifer. Hope you're having a good morning, day, afternoon, night, no matter where you are in the world. If you like my channel and the vibe that I provide, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and don't forget to hit that like button and share my content and always leave a comment. I absolutely love reading the comments. Today we're going to talk about 4 things. 1, we're going to talk about what Safemoon is. Number 2, we're going to talk about why I believe it's a possible high reward play. Number 3, we're going to show you how to buy it and where. And number 4, we're going to wrap it up with a conclusion and give you some technical analysis to show you where I think it is headed on the chart. So if that's something that you really like, stay tuned as we do a deep dive into Safemoon. Okay, so here's Safemoon on CoinGecko, all right? It's worth 0.000000019. That's like, I don't know, something like a quadrillionth of a cent or something insane. Maybe even a quintillionth of a percent. Now the circulating supply is pretty big as well. It's about 1 quadrillion. It's pretty decently large. So yeah, but they burn a lot of the transactions. So we're gonna show you what they do for the holders, how this is kind of more of an incentivized coin, and why I like it, and why I find it very, very interesting. When we go to their website, remember you have to set the slippage. Say that 10 times fast, set the slippage, set the slippage. You have to set the slippage to 11% just to buy this coin. This is 100% community owned, and the dev team had to burn all their tokens and had to participate in the pre-sale like everybody else. That's a big deal because when it first came out, the dev team wasn't ready to dump a bunch of coins on everybody. And I really, really like that. So that's something very interesting. Look how many they've already burned, 379.4 trillion Safemoon. Market cap, 179.3 million. Wow, 14,506 auto liquidity generated and 41,403 record holders. I watched the video about 2 days ago. This was at 26,000. So this is almost doubled in a little while. This will have doubled. This is the amount of addresses that hold Safemoon. So if you got into Safemoon and look, 20 seconds, 10 seconds, 26 seconds, 50 seconds, 1 minute, this thing is flying off the chains. And I'm telling you right now, I believe it's going to go to some higher places. And I think 100x may be pretty easy for this coin. So that's Safemoon. This is why I like Safemoon. Also, when you sell Safemoon, you actually pay a 10% fee to sell it. And then 5% of that fee goes back to the holders. The other 5% gets burned, which then also adds to the holders. So here, Q1, they have the token conceptualization and the fair launch and the website. Then they have the marketing and the listings on multiple exchanges and partnerships, and then the NFT conceptualization and NFT marketplace and NFT staking. How to get your ticket to the moon. Buy BNB on Binance Coin, okay? Configure your MetaMask browser extension for Binance Smart Chain. I have a video for that. If you want to just go right here to the video up here, hit that link. It'll take you to the video to show you how to configure your Binance Smart Chain. It's very easy. You copy and paste 5 things. Simple. Send BNB to the MetaMask, click buy on Safemoon XVZ, and then swap BNB for Safemoon on Pancake Swap. So it's not that hard. It's not that difficult. So I'm going to show you Pancake Swap. There is Safemoon. If you're not sure how to get Safemoon, you can hit the link on their website. But if still you want to do this, look, you can copy the contract address. You can go back to the MetaMask wallet. And then you just go right here and you hit select token and you paste the token in right here, which I've already added it. I bought it for ETH, but it was BSC ETH, BEP20 ETH. That's what I ended up getting it for. And I threw a little BNB to pay for the fees. Bam. So I ended up buying about I bought 1.4 ETH of this thing. I'm going for the gusto. I figured 2K on this and we'll see where it goes. So I'm putting my money where my mouth is. And again, none of this is financial advice. I don't advise you do anything that I do on this channel. This is all for entertainment purposes only. This specific play is high risk. This coin could go to absolutely zero and to nothing. I don't believe it will. I actually have a lot of faith in it, but it could. And I'm willing to take that loss. So believe you me, when I put that money in, I'm okay with losing every single penny. So you should do the same as per your risk tolerance, okay? So this is where you would buy it. Get it, it would end up in your MetaMask wallet, nice and safe, okay? Now I want to show you the TA and why I started to buy it right around here. I love pennants. I play pennants all the time. This is a bull pennant with a bull flag with a beautiful measured move we went right past that measured move, came down, and it looks like this thing is really not stopping. It's on a pretty crazy trajectory to ride to the top. Now, when you sell, you have to pay 10%. So that keeps a lot of people wanting to hold this coin. And also, they keep burning the supply. So you keep getting more value by holding this coin as well. I like the deflation aspects of this token. I like that the dev team played ball with us and didn't dump their coins after the pre-sale. So there's a lot of things I like about this token that a lot of other tokens are just not doing. I think it's going to separate it from the pack. Now, I want to talk about Hoj Finance, which is kind of a shit coin. But, you know, just in early November, someone I know put $100 in Hoj Finance and it turned into $100,000. And, you know, there's potential for this to do something very, very similar. So how do you make the biggest gains? You find the smallest coins that could go up by the very littlest bit and still make you money. For instance, I bought this coin at 0.0000009 just last night at about 2 a.m. in the morning. I also told all my Patreon members that I was buying this coin. So if that's a community you would like to join and that's information you would like, I suggest you click the link to my Patreon and become a member, become a crypto lifer. You will not regret it. So guys, just putting this on your radar. So to all my lifers out there, I'm just putting this out on your radar that I am personally invested in Safemoon, and I believe it's going to do big things. We got in at 9 and it's already at 19. So to the moon, my friends, to the moon. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please comment, like, and subscribe. Hit the bell for notifications so you can find out when I post my next video. Please hit the like button. Please share this. And remember, crypto is life.